What up, racers? AJ with Relentless Racing. Here are some of my 2025 projects. This is a 1ZZ rebuild that I did to get an MRS back to life. I also rebuilt a C66 for this MRS. Transmissions aren't as complicated as everyone makes them out to be. It's a nice tight package in the back. She may not look pretty, but she runs well. 808 spec coilovers for 2ZZ Mistress, all Japanese internals. Look at the bolt. 2ZZ Mistress at Streets of Willow. She sounds angry. Overdriving at Buttonwillow like usual. $5 a.m. before a track day and my axle falls off. Yes, I still made it to the track day. I road tripped to NorCal to pick up another MRS. I left super early in the morning, and California truly is a beautiful state. She's a beaut, right? The Golden Gate Bridge. My poor 2ZZ Mistress. I had to pull the 2ZZ because she was eating cams. And my pressure plate broke.
We're going to push this guy down just a little bit and it'll compress the spring. It exposes the top of the valve.
Keeper installation. Crankshaft installation.
You find the crankshaft okay?
I'll put it inside down. It's okay? You think it'll still work? Smooth as silk. Check it out. B18C5 Type R motor with brand new rods, Corilla rods, and JE pistons that have been Cerakoted. She's looking good.
This year I got into Toyota cylinder heads, Subaru cylinder heads, Cosworth cylinder heads, B series, and K series cylinder heads. I learned more about vacuum testing, porting, valves, and valve seals. It's been a fun year filled with track days, MR2 fan meets, late night projects, and a ton of learning. A special thank you to Rob Chu from Chu Works, my boys at Doghouse Garage, John Grudinsky from High Tech Exhaust, Alan Viato from Sparco, Keone from RC Racing Creations, Bob Pham from 808 Spec, Canyon Run Sundays, Togi to Track, and all my Honda and MR2 family, and of course, all of my subscribers. This is AJ with Relentless Racing, from my family to yours. Happy holidays and Happy New Year. Stay relentless, and I'll see you on the track in 2026.